Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 5 now, I think, of the game devlog. I had a somewhat long week at work, so I decided to spend most of my Saturday kind of just watching YouTube and playing on the Switch, really. But I did decide to, after that, get work on my game. So the game so far is fairly basic, but it has all its main mechanics in place. Movement, jumping, attack animations of enemies dying, screen shakes. But I wanted to implement the player death and parallax backgrounds in this video. So that's basically what I set out doing. In this video I have a nice little speed art section right now, so I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.
Not bad, Godot. Try that again.
My heartbeat, my hands